Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this episode, let me bring the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels on 17th February 2022. So before I proceed with my analysis, today is the expiry day. If you are taking any trading bet, this channel is meant for only educational purpose. If you are trading, then take the help of certified investment professional. So let me come to the option chain first. So the option indicating today FIIs are net sellers to the tune of almost approximately 2000 crores, and DIs are net buyers. So yesterday market was stable because FII selling was compensated by DII buying. So next let me go to the option chain. So what is option chain indicating? You can see the highest call build up is 1,51,938 contracts at 17,500, and next level is 1,48,498, 17,600. So on the higher side, 17,500 and 17,600 are going to be stiff resistance. On the lower side, if I am coming to put side, you can see hardly any writing. The highest writing is at 17,000, that is 1,13,187. So that is going to be the major support. So support is placed at 17,000 and the resistance is around 17,500, a big range of 500 points. Now it is indicating that market will trade in the range of 17,000 to 17,500. So let me proceed further. I am coming to the most important Nifty Bank and Nifty chart. So what is Nifty Bank or Nifty chart indicating? So you can see the central pivot range for Nifty is placed at around here, 37,998. And it's almost trading today in the central pivot range. Now it is lower. Now currently market is trading at lower, so 37,675. Now since it is already below the central pivot range, also below the bottom central pivot range. So next target for Nifty is Bank Nifty is at around 37,000. So this is the support. So next support is, I am just marking it so that you will know. So next support is around 37,604. If that breaks, then we'll have the next 37,359. So as long as the market is below 37,998 or 37,949, you can sell Bank Nifty, sell on rise for a target of 37,604. That is very close now, and you can further sell for a target of 37,359. Always your stop loss for the short Bank Nifty is 37,949. So let me come to Nifty now. Today is expiry day, so trade with caution on Nifty. So Nifty, let me refresh it. Okay, it is today opened lower. Now it is almost at the bottom central pivot range. The market, so bottom central pivot range is 17,305. Nifty is currently trading at 17,304. Yeah, suppose it is trading for a longer time below the bottom central pivot range. Yeah, you can sell Nifty for a target of 17,206. If it falls below this, you will have further support, that is at 17,114. So today best is if the market is trading below the central pivot range. So central pivot is at 17,349. So as long as 17,349 is not taken on the higher side, you can always sell on rise for a target of 17,206, and the second target is 17,114. So better sell on rise. Yeah, buying is not a trade today. And let me come to the important uh, data points. Yeah, from FIIs and all. FIIs in options almost net to net. Yeah, having gone through the statistics of FIIs in options, their buying and selling option was almost equal, but DIIs hardly any positions in options, but the majority of the positions on the call side by retailers. So retailers are on the call side. So market will always go against the retailers. So be careful. Today 17,500 will be the crucial resistance. Yeah, and on the 17,350 is another resistance. So always bet on rise market today because the highest positions are by retailers. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So thank you for watching.